the materials need to make a keychain is, the first thing we need is acrylic glass. Next, then there's the keychain rings. It's dispensable. Acrylic paint must be acrylic, not watercolor. Need a whiteboard maker. Need a brush. So, peel off the adhesive on the acrylic. Find something diacritical. After that, paint using acrylic, paint earlier. Then wait for the paint to dry. After drying, chat again with another color. If the paint is dry, hold the keychain ring earlier with acrylic. And finally, the keychain is finished. Okay, thanks for watching. See you.